No dirty panty, no dirty panty. Make sure that jazz is not for your auntie. If you're not Christian, jazz not for holy. It favored football, yeah, goalie. Alright, so today June 22, officially no panty day. Yes, me say that, no panty day. For those who don't know, me don't know which bright man come up with this idea. But June the 22 is officially called no panty day. Meaning, girls not wear no jazz at all. No kind of underwear. Me know some of my girls them are gonna be like, no panty day is an everyday thing for them. Big up to you girls. Feel free in your own skin. This is the most happiest day for every nigga out there in nigga land. And not everybody really go for. So all of the girls them I get ready to go walk out the road without no panty. Hold up. Pause. Stop. Comma. Full stop. Exclamation mark. Stop. As no panty day do not apply to everybody. Reason why I say that, if your vagina stink, don't go to the road without no panty. Please, you gotta have the whole place smell like downtown fish market. Keep on your panty today. Someone who pum pum a leak like ice chuck. And you know someone can't go to the road without no panty, cause that dripping oh god. And someone who lumpy, if you know body lumpy like when me just start learning to cook porridge. Keep on your panty today. If your pum pum have more razor bump than any man who love trim regular, keep on your panty today. If your age come off a calendar, you're a big woman now. Please, I beg you, please keep on your panty today. It's sickening to see some old woman that try act young. No G. Like when me say old woman like shibble up. Don't do that. This doesn't apply to everybody. So you know what you do? Keep your panty on today. If you know you have a boyfriend, insecure boyfriend, and he might go beat you, knowing that you don't have a panty, and you go somewhere, he might go feel say cheat, you go cheat on him. Keep on your panty today. Someone have order. Know this thing. Keep on your panty today. If your foot rub together and cause friction like fireworks and shit, please keep on your panty today. If you ever know brazier day, that better. You see nipples stand up in your clothes. Oh, with the Hershey kiss nipple.
Let me touch up on the clit and get the pussy wet. Look what you're wet and you don't start feeling nothing yet.
Comment, subscribe and rate. Add me on Instagram at Trabass. Follow me on Twitter, Trabass_TV, and add me on Facebook. The link's in the description below.